الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. You're welcome to Fish Programmer. In this episode, we are going to so now we are here. Let's sign in. Okay, we are signing in. So to use this tool effectively, you need to sign in. If you are not signed in, you signed off. Sorry, if you are not signed up, you register so that you can sign in with your email address. So like I said before in the previous class, you enter the keyword, in our case digital marketing. Then you click on search. You wait for it to load. It's loading. Taking so long, I guess it's the network. Now we're back. So you can see the digital marketing has over 600,000 monthly visits, monthly search volume. What this means, this 600,000 monthly search volume, this monthly search volume, the 600,000K, is the number of times people search on Google. The number of times, or amount of time people search for this particular keyword on Google. Then this one that is paid competition is the paid competition is medium, and the CPC is 3.51, while the SEO difficulty is 82. This medium, we have paid competition that are low, medium, and high. So we are going for low paid competitions. So you can see from here, from the search results, from the related keywords, sorry, these are the related keywords. You can see we have keyword, the monthly volume, paid competition, and CPC. Digital marketing agency Berlin has low paid competition. You can choose it. You just select the low paid competitions. Don't select high. If you select high, you're on your own, because it is the bigger agencies that are into that one. You cannot the competition is very high on that, and high paid competition. So in this low competitions, this is they are the one. It is the low paid competition that we can go for as a starter. So after selecting, you either copy or copy as tag, or export selected to CSV, or you can export all to CSV also. When you export to CSV, when you click up export to CSV, it will prompt a download dialog box. a download dialog box, so you can choose the location to save your file. So this is how I give you the assignment if you are in this stage. So you can rename it. Using the keyword. You can rename it with the using the name of the keyword you search for, so that it will be easier for you to identify. Like in our case, digital marketing. I have one before, and I've downloaded one before inside, so I will not download again. I'll just cancel now. So the next thing to do is to refine our data. So in the next video, we are going to show you that we'll refine our data. This procedures is how you do your keyword planning. So we will refine the data we've gotten from this software now. Alternatively, we can just copy. For those of you that cannot access Excel, you can just copy and then paste it in the notepad I told you about. And now let's go to our notepad. Now this is our notepad. You just come and paste it here. Come and paste now. So this is our keyword. Yeah, this is our keyword. So these keyword, these are what we are going to be writing about in our blog. But let us refine it. How do we refine our data now? We can refine it in two ways. Either by using the original keyword we found here, or we'll pick one. We'll go by each one you copy or cut. Then you make another space for it. Then this keyword now will go back and then search for another. There are related keywords to this also. We call it we call them sub keyword. Sub what? Keyword. In other words, sub topics. We have subject, we have topic, and then subtopic. This can be our subtopics. So that will now take us to our next tool in that h-supertool, which is Question Explorer. We are going to use Question Explorer. What this Question Explorer means is that the questions people ask related to this our keyword. Let's now search for question related to this our keyword. This is the keyword. Used 1 to 2 words for effective result. Then you can either set it to be global or choose your country, continent or country or something like that. Now you can choose global or choose any country that is listed in the drop down menu. Let's take it by default global. So now our keyword, digital marketing. Now what this tool will do now is it will still go out there, search for questions related to digital marketing. Now let's press search. Wait for it to load. Okay, now these are our questions. Questions of how, of what, when, where, how, why, who, which, will, is, are, can, does or do or others. Come on, this is the best tool. So it has helped us to ask or to search for questions that people search for under the keyword digital marketing. Look at it. Come on. The importance of this question explorer is that you can now use these questions in your blog post. Maybe you can just pick a question, what digital marketing means, and then answer it in your blog. Write a full blog about what digital marketing means. As you can see, there are others, there are people. Let's see. You see, it's a very high one. What it means, people are already, there are people who are answering the question. I think, you see, that's for the question, that question, what digital marketing means. These are the results, search result under Google. Let's choose how questions. You can copy it and then paste it into our notepad. Let's go back to our notepad, shall we? Let's clear this question of how question under this. Yep, this is it. So now you can now start writing blog posts on these topics based on these questions. This will help your blog, this will help your website to rank better. So that will be all for now for this video for how to use h-supertools. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment. Make sure you like this video. If you are not a subscriber to this channel, please do subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.